Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Friday. Happy Friday, everyone, and it's August 23rd. Hey, we got one item here on the economic calendar, and we'll start off with the new home sales for the month of July. So in June, we had 728,000 annualized units for new home sales. However, the forecast for July was supposed to be a little bit of a downturn to 650, and it dropped even more so to 635,000, which is obviously a bit disappointed, primarily because that's almost 100,000 off from June's number. You're talking 97,000 off from June's number. That's a pretty big drop right there. So that is a bit disappointing. So let's jump ahead here to the headline news. Stocks are down so far this morning. Uh, it dropped into negative territory after China announced new tariffs on the U.S. This is their response to the U.S. announcement of 10% tariffs on $300 billion of Chinese tariffs a few months ago. And so they're basically saying they're going to do a 5 and 10 on $75 billion of Chinese goods starting September 1 as well as December 15th. So also, what's lightening the load, however, is the stocks are deeper in the red and have improved since then because Fed Chair Powell just finished up his speech in Jackson Hole and basically indicated that there could be. He was very vague on it, but he did indicate that things, more economic news, are worsening, and that uh, indicate that there will most likely be another rate cut coming in September. So that would be the 17th and 18th of September is their next meeting, and there could be a very highly likely that they will be doing a rate cut at that meeting as well. If you look at the Fed overall, we do have members that are different in their opinions. We have some that are arguing against a rate cut, as well as those who are arguing for a rate cut, and even some that are wanting a steeper rate cut. At the last meeting, there were several members who wanted a half a point rate cut versus a quarter point rate cut. So, with that in mind, so let's move ahead, see how this is playing out with the bonds. Bonds are up 20, or sorry, not 20, 14 basis points. So as you see, we did kind of slid down a little bit further, closer towards the floor of support. Um, it was kind of weakening a little bit, so pricing was kind of worsening as we went on. It did close off a little bit from yesterday. However, with the 14 basis points higher, pricing should be better today. It'll bring us back to what we saw earlier this week. Um, you know, earlier in the week, like around Wednesday or so. You got Thursday, Wednesday, around Tuesday most likely. So we should see pricing in the range of what we saw around Tuesday. Here's yields. Yields, as you see, it closed above that ceiling resistance that it's been so stubborn for it. It closed just a little bit above it. Right now, it's down. It's down to about 1.56 range, and so it's getting pushed back down into the lower level again. So that's kind of course, helping out mortgage-backed securities, thus helping out mortgage rates, improvement in the mortgage rates here. So that's pretty much a wrap. If you guys are looking to buy or refinance, please reach out. I am a loan officer, and I work with CMG Financial. We do service all 50 states, so even if you live in another state, we can certainly help you out. Best way to reach me is a direct message. We do carry pretty much all the loans out there, from jumbo to conventional to FHA, VA, USDA. We also carry loans that some lenders don't have. So if those can't fit uh, we can't get you qualified into those loans. We have special ones like investor loans for real estate investors. We have bank statement loans, which are great for those who are self-employed. They may have trouble with the taxes, but we can still show that they can qualify via bank statements. And we also got foreign national loans. We have two loans that only CMG offer, and that is our all-in-one loan. And this is a program for those who have cash flow. It's the only principal first mortgage or principal first loan that's out there that's available that I know of that can help you to pay off your mortgage much quickly without having to change your lifestyle. So if you're a person with cash flow, want to pay off your mortgage and have more control over your mortgage and getting it paid off and saving yourself thousands of dollars, if not hundreds of thousands of dollars. Some people I'm working with currently will have it paid off in 5 to 7 years and save themselves anywhere from $141,000 to $500,000 in interest payments. So this is a great loan for them. And these are loan amounts you're looking at are about 540,000. So these are substantial loan amounts that are out there and can be paid off very quickly. Home Funded is a great program for those who need down payment assistance. For those who are looking we can use as a wedding registry. It can also be for those who are displaced from their homes, from person divorced now looking for another home to somebody who had these wildfires that we get sometimes here in California and around the country, to hurricanes, to earthquakes, floods, stuff like that. That now your home's not habitable. Now you need to move on. Great also for first-time home buyers. So it's a fantastic loan program for those people. And if you want more information about All-in-One Home Funder or anything else, please reach out. We can certainly do your pre-approvals and have you all set to go. You guys have a great rest of your day. Enjoy your weekend. We'll see you guys on Monday. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.